Hi eye catchers, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back with another makeup tutorial. It's been so long since I sat down to my makeup in front of you guys. Today I am doing a classic matte red bold beautiful Valentine's Day look. This is the beat that I will be wearing. I'm sharing my first Valentine's Day story with my fiance, soon to be husband. So while we're here, because we're friends, you know, that's what I think. Before we get into the makeup, I'm not gonna keep you suspense much longer. I mean, you see what it looks like, I'll tell you how to get there. But I need you all to do me a favor and to smash the subscribe button. Please hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload. It means the world to me for somebody to support my channel because this is my dream and my passion. I'll probably have to do a video on why I love fashion and beauty and how I got into it, but I would appreciate you guys so much for supporting my channel, sharing my videos with your friends, family members, strangers. I don't care, you know, let Davenport come to the masses. I would love for you to be an eye catcher. So please hit the subscribe button, come back to future videos. I would greatly appreciate it. So now, without further ado, we'll get into the makeup look, so stay tuned. Priming my lids with my Colourpop Concealer in Deep Golden 60. I'm going to set that with my mineralized skin finish. Alright, and for shadows today, I'm going to use the Morphe 35R palette. And I'm starting with this shade right here. On the outer V to give me a little bit of dimension. I'll take this shade. And for my lid, I'm going to use this shade. It has a little bit of shimmer, but not too much. And that's it for the eyes, y'all. It's really, really simple, easy, flirty, and natural for Valentine's Day. I think I'm going to do my real lashes too, just because I got a new mascara that I really want to try. So I think that's what I'm going to do with my real lashes. But I am going to line my top lash line. I'm not winging it, just lining so that when you line your top lash line, it makes your lashes look thicker because you have something dark at your root. Doing a very thin line. I really can't talk during this part. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise that I've heard a lot about. I got the shade Black is Black because I love very black mascaras. And I have heard so many great reviews about this, so I said I have to try it. So what's everybody's plans for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day? You don't have to have a boo to celebrate. You can do something for yourself. So if I was single, you know, maybe I would have a pamper night at home, do a nice like bubble bath, light some candles, maybe do your own little pedicure set, or take yourself out, go out with the girls or guys, whoever your friend base is. So I'll probably talk through this part and, you know, go quickly because you guys have seen me do this. If you haven't, check out my go-to makeup look. I will put it somewhere up at the top. It's very easy. My go-to just routine, what I do for my makeup. But it's my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless and Dewy Smooth. I mix them together. For primer, I didn't say use the Smashbox Photo Finish. And I did that off camera. Again, you guys have seen me do it a million times. See the go-to makeup routine. Please watch it and please give it a thumbs up. But I put this around the perimeter and I probably got way too much. So let's take some off. Some Valentine's Day ideas for couples. Let's see. On our first Valentine's Day, I'll share that. Our first Valentine's Day story, that's a good story. So I had an apartment off campus. So he came to my apartment and we were just, you know, in there just, you know, chilling, relaxing, you know, nothing crazy, y'all, nothing crazy. We're just sitting in there chilling. But I could tell he was just kind of off. Like, he wasn't himself. He was really nervous, like wasn't laughing, joking, like just, you know, wasn't really talking. I was just like, I don't know. Like, I mean, it's Valentine's Day. Like, I'm thinking everything's fine and going well. I think everything's okay. And he was just like, babe, I'm just gonna go outside for a moment. I was like, okay. Like, and I just was like, maybe he needs a breather or a moment. I was like, did I do something? I was like, I don't know what's going on. But I could tell something really off was happening. So he went outside and he was out there for a while. So I was like, well, let me just go check on him and, you know, make sure everything's still okay. So I could just feel something. He had to get something. I think his best friend ended up bringing him something that he needed because he was going to give me a surprise. So he told me just like wait outside for a little bit and then come out again soon. So I did. And when I came back in, he had those huge cards, flowers and balloons, like just really cute stuff, and chocolates. Our first Valentine's Day was a year after we met. So we already know each other for a year now. So first he wanted me to read the card because like I could already see the gifts. Like, no, it wasn't a bear, it was a frog. And my frog's name is Verde. That's when I got Verde. And so it was a frog. And it was a frog because I'm an AKA, that's like part of the sorority. So yeah, so it was a frog, and he, so I read the card first, and the card was really pretty. The last line of the card said that, you know, I've been waiting to say these 3 little words to you. They are, I love you. And I just was like, oh my God. It was so beautiful. Not unexpected, but I didn't expect it that night. I mean, I already knew how I felt about him and that I, you know, really cared deeply for him and I was really falling in love with him. But I'm just old school. I wasn't gonna say it first. I don't know. I just wasn't, like, I knew I already felt it, but I just wasn't gonna say it first. That's just totally me. You know, to each his own, do what you feel is best for you, girl. But I was like, yeah, no, I'm not saying it first. Which worked out, clearly. But it was just, that was the first time he ever told me he loved me. And, you know, it's been on since then. We have been in love now, God, that was 2014 and it's 2018, that was 4 years ago. And, I mean, he has been the best person in my life that I could have ever prayed or asked for. And I just really thank God every day for him. We have been ice skating as a date. That's a really fun date. Especially with it being cold outside, it makes sense. In the summertime, I don't really know why you would want to go ice skating. I mean, I guess so you can cool off, but you don't want to be in all those coats and stuff. You're not dressed for it. So to me, it definitely makes sense to go ice skating, you know, now while it's winter. It's really cold here in Maryland. So this would be the time to go. I am an okay ice skater. He's way better than me. Something else. I'm always down to go get food. I love trying new restaurants. I think that's always something cool. Try a new restaurant, you know, that you've been wanting to do. A lot of different cities, big cities, will do this thing called Restaurant Week. And it's where various restaurants will have a discounted 3 or 4 course menu for lunch, dinner, or brunch sometimes, depending on the restaurant and their style of food. It's usually at a way cheaper price. I think it's always really cool if Restaurant Week falls during Valentine's Day in your area. You know, that's a great way, an inexpensive way to try out a nice restaurant that you've been wanting to go to, but it's just a little out of price. Or that's the time to go to Ruth Chris Girl and use the coins. I mean, it's a Valentine's Day. That's the time to go. Or you all could do a recipe at home. If you all want to find a really cool recipe online, some of the places I use is like allrecipes.com or delish.com or foodnetwork.com. Those are really great for all various kinds of recipes. Oh, and Tasty Vegetarian on Facebook. I really like that page as well. And you could use the recipe, you guys buy it and make it together. It's a fun way to bond and laugh. For you guys, you know, choose whatever adult beverage or non-adult beverage that you want to have that evening. Set up the table really nice. And there you go. You got dinner in for 2. All right. Y'all, so I love this. Love it. I love it. It came out. Okay, and we're going to set my whole face with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. Y'all know I do this all the time. I really love this brush. It is by e.l.f. I got it years and years ago. I don't even remember. I got it from Target. I know that. I know I got it from Target, but I don't remember the number. or the brush, like a brush name or number. I have no idea, but I really like this brush, and I think it was like $3, and it has held up really nice over the years. So I have a new fun product to use, and I tried it yesterday and I loved it. It is the Colourpop bronzer in Rodeo Drive. I don't know why, I've never tried their bronzers, and it's pretty pigmented to me, so you want to tap off your brush. But I love this bronzer. It wasn't too red and not too brown. It looked really nice on my skin tone. And I just kind of circular motion feathered it up. It's a matte bronzer, so no shimmer, which I am a-okay with because I, you know, highlight, and a lot of my blushes have shimmer, which I like a shimmer blush. It just adds something to it for me, so matte bronzer is really nice. Valentine's Day gift ideas. Again, if you don't have a lot of money to spend on it, experiences are always great. If you want to get gifts, candles are always a great gift. The Bath and Body Works candles are amazing. Highlighting with LeBron's from Artist Couture. But any other gifts? Flowers. I love fresh flowers, but my fiance will buy me fresh flowers most of the time, like once a week. So the Bath and Body Works candles are really, really great. I love their rose scent. It came out, I think, near Christmas. I have burned that candle completely out, which has never happened for me. I've never burned a candle all the way out, but that one was so good. I want to repurchase it as soon as possible. Chocolate. Go to a nice bakery, get a few cupcakes. I know a bakery around us, I think it's like $2 a cupcake because they're like the gourmet ones, but again, pretty inexpensive way. I mean, if you're trying to be expensive, if you're trying to spend your coin, you know, you can get some jewelry. For the guy, a nice watch, a new band for his Apple Watch. I'm not saying about the Apple Watch, but if he has one already and you want to get him a band, that could be nice. Any kind of tickets to a sporting game. So my camera cut off without me knowing it before I got to finish telling you guys what I did. So I was finishing up my blush, and I am going to touch it up. Actually, I used MAC's Amber Ring of Rose for my blush, and I put that right in between my highlight and my bronzer. And under my lash line, I used the same shades as the top and put the same L'Oreal mascara on. So really simple stuff. You guys didn't miss much, so that was good. And then for lips, you have seen me apply this in the previous video. I will link that video, but it is the Stunna Lip Paint by Fenty Beauty in the shade Uncensored. And this shade is uncensored. Girl, you can't have a censor for this kind of a red because it's just too amazing, honey. And unfortunately, eye catchers, we have reached the worst part of the video because we have to say goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching this classic Valentine's Day look. I really loved how it turned out. It's just so awesome for anything you're doing this on the 14th, whether it's just going to work, going out with girls, going out with your guy or your girl, staying in. This is the beat you should be wearing. Okay, we all here. This is the beat. This is the beat. So I'm going to work like this. I'm going to bed like this, to dinner, the movies, wherever we be going. This is the beat. Thank you guys again for watching. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload. Thank you again for watching. Follow me on Instagram. That's where I post every day. That's the quickest way to get a hold of me. Send me DMs if you want to chat. If you want to ask more opinions about what to do for Valentine's Day, I'm all for it. Have a day full of love on Valentine's Day. Spread love and give love. Thanks for watching.